Welcome back to another video. My name is Raheem Drisdale, a 27-year-old web designer, SaaS founder, living in Kingston, Jamaica. And honestly, got 400 users on Lead Finder. That's going really good. I think I got like 200 in a day on X. Then my X got banned for my new page. And Threads has been going good. So if you have something to promote or sell, a digital product, anything, Threads, definitely. And as much as possible, try to build a personal brand. Because if you build a personal brand and you're known as the go-to web designer, somebody has a project starting a new business or a friend starting a new business, you're gonna be the person that they instantly think of and recommend. So try your best to just build a personal brand, honestly, because we're human beings go on connection. So if somebody can make it way better, way faster, but you know this person, you like this person, yeah, they're gonna go to you. So do that. Yeah, calorie tracking. Why? Bro, I'm skinny. As you can see, maybe if you're watching my old videos, because I've been reposting old videos, like from my college days, I was, bigger. But yeah, health issues along the way. I lost some weight, trying to get it back. So I started tracking calories. I actually track calories, I would say every day, but I track calories a lot of the time. So I just go and chat GPT, because I'm not the only one a calorie tracking app, honestly. It sounds hypocritical to try to sell one when I would download one, but who cares? It's not about me. So I decided that I was gonna build it because that's something that I use, and I was actually going to download one, but I'm saying, yo, I have a computer science degree. You can build it with AI. Why would I download one when I can build one? So I don't know if I can see my phone, Kcalm. So Kcalm, I hope I get it. Kcalm, Kcalories, Kcalm. It's like a calm way to check your calories without stressing out that you're missing a day. If you miss a day, fine, we'll move on tomorrow. Like video hit the calorie goals, like Mr. Day never hit the goal. I'm gonna try to make an AI UGC content creator on TikTok to hopefully promote this. And I have some friends that are like micro influencers. I'm gonna ask them and pay them actually. I'm gonna spend money on this. Not gonna be cheap anymore. I'm gonna spend money on this. Literally gonna hire people to help with all of my content and my marketing. So, because I believe in this idea. And the thing about Lead Finder is I have to make sure that somebody makes money. Then they'll say that yes, Lead Finder is useful. That's so hard. I'm gonna make somebody make money. But calorie tracking, they just need to be able to track the calories and everything work. That's way simpler to get to 10K per month. And I hire influencers. I literally been creating so much connections through web design. So I have persons that I can ask for favors. So trust me, this consumer app should be going to the moon. Although I felt the same way about Lead Finder. I felt like, yeah, this is how I'm gonna be rich by the Lambo, but trust me, this time, Kcalm. So, cause this is actually something like, yeah, Lead Finder is something that I use because a web designer needs to find clients. So I was trying to make a system that makes it easier. Yeah, with Kcalm, trust me, this time, definitely. So have it here in testing right now. So if you can do me a huge favor, if you use Android, you can help me test my app, please. I need 12 persons for 2 weeks. And testing really just means to download it. I have some of my friends that would actually test it in depth that has a developer background. So all you really need to do is just download it, do me a huge favor. And yeah, that's the plan, honestly. So just run it up with this calorie tracking app. You're gonna see me back on this channel with either a clean 2020 F80 or like a G80 or probably if I Lambo, trust me, we're pushing this to the moon this time. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. We want to get to 1K, and I'll be documenting the journey on this channel every single day. It's not gonna be just boring teaching videos because I don't really know that much, honestly. I'm figuring it out as I go along. So it's just gonna be more documenting my journey, fun videos. I'm gonna go on some vlogs, etc. So I definitely don't want to miss out on that. So I'd recommend you subscribe right now. Thanks so much for watching.
Get on you to have a dream. Just go and work, the money soon come in. And no make nobody tell you nothing. Tell them say whatever them you come out to nothing. You're not afraid to be yourself. Just live for you and nobody else. Look at Francis.